How to make Roblox clothing on mobile. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is to open up your Roblox app. And from here, let's go to the More section at the bottom right. Scroll down a bit until you find this Create option. So tap on that. And from here, click on this 3-line bar at the top left. And let's go to creations. Okay, this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. From here, you can see some options. So you would have to tap on avatar items. Let's scroll down and you can see a set of options again. From here, we go to classics, and in line with filters, we tap on this one and make sure that you select classic t-shirts. From here, scroll down and you can immediately tap on upload asset. Now, if you missed this next part, you'll have to start over. From here, you can then upload your design for your t-shirt, tap on upload, and we can get it from our photo library or camera roll. Gonna choose this outline right here and click on check at the top right, and you can then change the name and you can add a description as well, and you would then have to tap on upload. Now that is not the end, so keep on watching for more important steps. From here, scroll down and you would see the shirt that you just created. You need to tap on it, scroll down and make sure that you toggle on this on sale option, and you would have to set a price. The minimum is 2, so I'm just gonna set it for 5 Robux, and the publishing fee is 10 Robux. So you would need to have this few Robux until you can publish your item. So once you have it, you can then tap on publish item. And that is how you can basically make Roblox clothing on mobile.